Hello, in this short video I will show you how I fix my Tamron lens with a stuck zoom. This is the 18 to 270 millimeters f3.5 6.3 with the vibration control, made for Nikon DX cameras. The zoom ring gets stuck somewhere between 18 and 35 millimeters and it won't move any further. But the vibration reduction and the focus are just working fine. I removed the rubber from the focus ring and underneath I found a loose screw coming out through a little hole. This screw is attached to the inner tube, and because it was unthreaded, it was blocking the movement of the lens. I used a small flathead screwdriver to tighten it up. And that was it. The zoom can extend now fully and retract without any obstructions. When the zoom is extended, the screw is disappearing inside the lens. So if your lens is stuck open, you won't see the screw. You have to bring it back to 18 millimeters somehow. That might be a different issue. And that's it for today's video. As always, thank you for watching.